We're here at Carz, and we're talking about back to school time, because if you have kids that are high school or college age, they're gonna be going back to school, and you wanna make sure those vehicles are ready for them, safe to drive. Especially college, if they're driving hours away, you don't have a mechanic there, you wanna get it checked out before they go back to school. So we recommend that before the fall semester, and then again at winter before the spring semester. So things to do: have the engine oil changed, have the complete vehicle inspection, including wipers. You want a nice solid edge here. You don't want any tears or rips. If the wiper hops at all, those are all issues that will cause it to wear. You don't want to find out that it needs to be replaced in the middle of a storm. That could be safety. We're going to check your lights, headlights, tail lights, brake lights, all those kind of things. We're going to check all the fluids. We're going to check your tires and brakes. So you can see here, we've got a green brake, which is 8 millimeters, so that's good to go. And then tires, this one would be one that we would recommend tires for. We measure all the different tread depths all the way across the tire. This is the lowest point was at 4/32, so that's in the yellow. If you're going into fall, you've got a student driver, you're gonna want them to have good tires on there. And then an emergency kit, if you're in the Midwest like we are, you wanna have gloves, hat, scraper, all those kind of things in the car, a blanket, that way you're ready to go, as well as the emergency kit. So any questions on that, or if you need an inspection before your kids go back to school, give us a call here at Carz in Chesney Park.
877 4277